Perhaps 5 years ago, I met a young man who was going to see the devil about a girl. He told me, with all that hubris and bravado that comes when you are young, that he had once heard from an old song, a story of the sea perhaps, or not, he couldn't recall, that the old devil would come to a crossroads on a clear night full with the bright light from an old moon, and he, the devil that is, the old coot, would take wishes. I don't think the young man understood at the time that the devil simply doesn't take wishes for nothing. The old dodger, bored as he is, gives. But he takes far more than the gift is worth. I tried to tell the young man this, but he couldn't see wisdom through his cloudy eyes. I assume they were clouded with love for that girl of his, but it could have been adventure that made his mind dim. Young men love two things, young women and the call of adventurous glory. Young is the only age which can truly appreciate either, so I suppose it was fitting that his adventure was to find the girl, or perhaps rescue her. I can't quite recall. Either way, he, the young man, heard that siren's call of the devil's easy gifts, and he went to the crossroads. I haven't seen him since, so it's up to me to wonder whether or not he communed with the devil. I like to think that he did. I like to think that he bested the old goat some way or another, either by contest or luck. Either way, his determination has made even me, an old man by now, want to find that crossroads. I myself have a few questions, and I've been kicking around this earth long enough to think that I perhaps, but only perhaps, deserve an answer or two.